This is an overview of the Monkey Strip Squeegee buffer line. We begin with the original of the series, which is the blue pre-cut Monkey Strip. Each bag has a free sticker for the toolkit or laptop and comes in quantities of 25 or 50. It fits standard size squeegees measuring 1 inch by 4 inch or 2.5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. The Monkey Strip is uniquely thin and durable, which makes the wrapping process more efficient with high quality. It can be placed easily between installs and leaves little to no adhesive residue behind. Next up is the new Monkey Tails, which are purple. Monkey Tails come in a semi-transparent box and measure at 5.58 yards or 5 meters, which means they are customizable to any size squeegee. Simply cut to size and apply to the squeegee, like the Pro Tools Now Speedwing. Monkey Tails are the exact same thin, durable buffer as the Monkey Strips, no difference in softness or durability. In each box comes a free sticker, this one purple to match the color of Monkey Tails. Last but not least are the banana buffers, which are yellow and come in 10 per pack. Banana buffers are made for wet installations like chrome, tint, or PPF. Simply soak the banana buffer with a glide solution and squeegee. The wingtips give added protection for sensitive films, which can ensure quality. And unlike other wet squeegees in the market, banana buffers can be easily replaced and fit on standard squeegees. And remember, Monkey Strips are blue and pre-cut for standard size squeegees, purple Monkey Tails are for any size squeegee, and the yellow banana buffer is for wet applications. To purchase any of these high-performance squeegee buffers, you can go to monkeystrips.com or from distributors worldwide. Monkey Strips, we got your squeegee covered.